Hey, good morning, everybody. Got something kind of fun for you today. Two labs, mini labs, kind of like demos, but they're for extra credit. So, kind of cool. The first download that you're going to do for the Soundwave lab looks like this. Make sure you have the input at live input. This freeze input tab I'll show you in just a second. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose two different actually, let me back up. You're going to choose two sources from the program here. So you'll go to sine wave input, and then you're going to choose, like this one is 250 hertz, and you're going to choose another one. But just to show you what you would do then, this is the time axis on the horizontal. It's 1 millisecond, 0.001 seconds. This horizontal offset, you can drag it so that it lines up on a axis, so that maybe makes it easier for you to record or to measure the distance or the number of grids, etc. So you would just count these. Each division is 0.001 seconds. Okay, so if you timed one of them, that's the period of one. The reciprocal of that is the frequency, and I want you to compare to see how close you are to 250 hertz and show your calculations. The live option is kind of fun, and you're going to do two of these. The live input, hold on a second here. I'm glad this happened. It happened to me earlier this morning too. So if you whistle, it's going to give you a sine curve, or play your guitar, or play a flute, or play a piano. It'll give you the sound source here, but sometimes it freezes, and all you have to do is just reload the that program, and it should start up again. It's like this. So you go and capture it with freezing live input, and then use that as your source instead of the input wave frequency that the program offers you. Okay? So you'll do two of the input ones, and you'll do two live ones. So that's 4 total that you're going to do. Do a screen capture of this for one of the sources that you choose, whether it's your whistle, or whether it's a guitar, or whether it's a piano note, or something like that. Okay? And then you're going to do the calculations of the frequency of them. Okay? I mentioned in the writing, sometimes it makes sense to do several periods like that, and then divide by 5. Let's say you chose 5 cycles. Measure the time for 5 cycles, which is 5 periods. Divide by 5, that's the period for one. 1 over that period is the frequency, because period and frequency are reciprocals of each other. So that is the intro to the Soundwave Extra Credit Lab. Again, 2 of them will be live, and 2 of them will be here. Just play around with it a little bit. It's pretty fun, pretty intuitive. And then I'm going to make another quick video for the Beat Extra Credit Lab.